Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 3 of the Leetcode Weekly Premium. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you... Didn't I just do this one? Did I click on the wrong one? Oh. Yeah, hit the like button and subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Okay. So they are two different problems. This is the one from last week. And then this is the one from this week. Huh. They used the same image and everything. I just got so confused. Okay, so what's the difference? Okay, so actually it's funny because the last week I already said something like this, where we talk about the distance, and there are two types of distance, whether it is number of empty spaces or the number of kicks, right? Yeah, I mean this is my code from last week. I'm not like cheating, maybe I am cheating a little bit. So we can just copy and paste it, and last week we did it with a queue, right, one by one. So that means that we can just reuse it perfectly to just what's the D is the distance here, actually, not I don't know. If you think that's cheating, I don't know, watch my video from last week. I mean, it was too recent for me to kind of be like, you know, I don't remember this. I mean, that's sometimes that still happens actually from like, you know, but maybe not from last week, but like maybe a little bit more, maybe like 3 weeks or something. I don't know. But yeah, then now we just have to add I don't know, it's fine. Maybe we'll just maybe this times out a bit. Right, something like this. And then now if it stops, I mean this is the same thing, right? This is gonna be seen of this is equal to distance plus 1, right? Pretty straightforward stuff. Actually, this may not be precise because this may be wrong even, because when I stop, I have to kick again. I actually stay at the same place, so this is actually not. This one is going to be distance, but the other one is a dis plus 1, I think. Yeah, I think so. Anyway. No, then this one also is, because this is following from moving to stop, I think. But also, what is going on? Is this my code from last week? How come I don't add scene to this? I guess doing it as it stops is probably good enough, but there should be a scene thing to it. I don't know. It's kind of weird, actually. Maybe it was a. Maybe you could say this is an optimization. Maybe because you don't go back and forth, I guess. I don't know if that's true. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, whoops. I think the title thing is it's wrong or different. Okay, is that the same? It is. It just has a different name. Anyway, I don't really return. Oh, oops. It said line 60, so I got confused. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm off by 1 somewhere, but I'm just lazy. So yeah, yeah. I mean, I didn't really think about it. I'm not really surprised. I'm just kind of lazy, like I said. I have to think about it. The reason is just because of the way that I handle the distance. So okay, so with stop, then we kick. Right, so with stop, then we kick in one of the 4 directions. But that did not move a space, right? Otherwise, unless there's other stuff that's different. I don't know. And what am I missing? Actually, I don't know. This looks pretty right. So if this is our bounce, then we just go to stop. What am I missing? Why am I off by 6 even? I probably should have just rewritten this from scratch, but It has to be stopped, right? Excuse me. Jeez. I mean, there's a lot of answers to be wrong, but my output is actually okay. So actually, no, I misread this because I thought it was the other way around. And why does that matter? Is because I was looking for different things to debug, but it turned out that my answer is bigger than this, meaning that I'm not taking the shortest path, or I'm doing the math wrong on something. But I only add a +1 here, so this means that we keep going, right? No, I mean, I think this is right. Or I think I'm implementing this part accurately. So only when it's moving, and we keep going, right? And why am I undercounting? Why am I undercounting? I was doing this to be lazy, and now I'm doing more work because I didn't really think about it too much. Start. So we're not moving. We go. Is there anything else different? Maybe there's some other things different that I don't know about. I didn't think about. No, it seems pretty straightforward. Huh. And this wrong answer is so big, like I'm not gonna like manually, you know. It means that like there is some like weird thing that I'm missing. Actually that's not true, because it's 6 of them. It's not 6 kicks, it's just 6, so maybe I'm repeating moves or something. I don't know. Oh, I am just dumb. Yeah, I forgot that. Okay, yeah. I got lazy. Man, this is what happens when you copy and paste. Because the original one, and I think I remember this actually from last week. I mean, the reason why I was like, oh, I could be lazy here because it's only a Boolean thing, a true false thing. But here I cannot do this because this is a 0-1 BFS, 0-1 Q. But that means that you can't just append everything like this. You have to keep them in order. Otherwise, then variant no longer holds that like the shortest is the soonest or whatever. So that means that we want, is it pop append left? I think, and that's, I mean, I think that is all we have to do. But I think I just forgot about it. Silly mistake. But yeah, so as you can tell, even like subtle things like this happens from time to time. You know, just really trivial. Sorry that I'm not kind of explaining this that much, because most of the explanation is the same as last week. Though I don't know if I had a good explanation last week, but it is the same idea in that, you know, it's just a BFS. But in this one, you have a 0-1 BFS, so you have to be more careful, which I clearly you could see, and I will freely admit that I forgot about it until I kind of well, yeah, because it's the shortest path, and you could of course use dice drawers as well. But yeah, that's just silly. What did I do last time? Did I do the 0-1? Yeah, I did do the 0-1, so I didn't do the dice draw. 'Cause I could definitely have done that as well. Actually, I don't know if it's fast enough, but you could have done it. You have tried. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hope you got out of this maze. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.